वेलकम टू पार्ट 3 ऑफ भारत दर्शन पार्क।
नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका है, अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं। ताजमहल की रेप्लिका है ये। ताजमहल इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन द राइट बैंक ऑफ द यमुना रिवर इन ए वास्ट मुगल गार्डन that encompasses nearly 70 hectares in the Agra district in Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, with construction starting in 1632 AD and completed in 1648 AD. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. It is regarded by many as the best example of Mughal architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. The Taj Mahal attracts more than 6 million visitors a year, and in 2007 it was declared as a winner of the New 7 Wonders of the World initiative. अब हम पहुंच गए नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका पे, जो कि है मैसूर पैलेस। मैसूर पैलेस इज़ अ मैग्निफिसेंट edifice located in Mysore in the state of Karnataka. Also known as the Amba Vilas Palace, it is the former palace of the royal family of Mysore and it is still their official residence. Mysore Palace was built in the year 1912 for the 24th ruler of the Wadiyar dynasty and is counted amongst one of the biggest palaces in the country. The construction of Mysore Palace was orchestrated by the Maharaja Krishnaraj Wadiyar IV, referred as Raj Rishi by Mahatma Gandhi. It was then further expanded by his son and the last Maharaja of Mysore, Maharaja Jai Chamraj Wadiyar. The facade of the palace is a harmonious blend of Hindu, Muslim, Rajput and Gothic styles, which imparts it a regal quality. With the Chamundi Hills towards its eastern side, the spectacle of the Mysore Palace is an enchanting sight to behold. Needless to say, it is the second most visited historical monument visited by both the local and foreign tourists after the Taj Mahal. अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका पे, जो है चार मीनार। Dubbed as the Arc de Triomphe of the East and Hyderabad's most iconic structure, Charminar was built to mark the eradication of the epidemic cholera that had ravaged the city in the 16th century. Lying in the east bank of the Musi River, with the Lad Bazaar to its west and Makkah Masjid to the southwest, Charminar is a cultural and historical landmark that translates into 4 minars or pillars in Urdu. The Charminar was built in 1591 after Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, the 5th king of the Qutb Shahi dynasty, moved his capital from Golconda due to shortage of water to Hyderabad city. Listed under the Archaeological Survey of India, theories abound on the reason for the construction of the Charminar. However, the two most probable ones historians rely on include the moving of capital from Golconda to Hyderabad under Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, who prayed for the end of cholera that had caused many deaths in his city, and had taken an oath to build a mosque on the site in which he prayed. Marking the end of the plague, Charminar stands on the very side. Persian texts, on the other hand, refer to a narration by a French traveller from the 17th century to the commemoration of the beginning of Islam's second millennium year 1000 AH as the reason for the construction of Charminar in 1591. अभी आ गए हम नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका पे, जो कि है कोणार्क टेम्पल, an architectural marvel of eastern India and a symbol of India's heritage. Konark Sun Temple, commonly known as Konark, is situated in the eastern state of Odisha and is one of the eminent tourist attractions. Konark houses a massive temple dedicated to the sun god. The word Konark is a combination of two words, Kona and Ark. Kona means corner and Ark means sun. So when it combines, it becomes the sun of the corner. Konark Sun Temple is situated on the northeastern corner of Puri and is dedicated to sun god. Konark is also known as Ark Khetra. Odisha has 4 different Khetras or regions. Legend says that after killing the demon Gayasur, Lord Vishnu placed his 4 Ayodhyas, things that he holds in his 4 hands, at several places to commemorate the victory. He placed the Shankh at Puri, Chakra at Bhubaneswar, Gada at Jaipur and Padma at Konark. So Konark is also known as Padam Khetra. जो नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका है वो है अजंता एलोरा केव्स। Ajanta and Ellora caves are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites and are quite popular among travelers worldwide. Ajanta caves, located around 99 km north of Aurangabad, are mostly Buddhist sites and were used as a retreat by Buddhist monks. Ellora is just 15 km west of Aurangabad and has a better mix of Hindu, Jain and Buddhist sites. These hand-carved caves were built and sponsored by the Indian rulers of those periods and almost buried by thick forests. One of the most famous places in the entire Ajanta and Ellora caves is the Kailash temple, which is also the single most massive monolithic structure globally. These rock-cut caves containing carvings are some of the best examples of ancient Indian architecture and sculpture. अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए नेक्स्ट रेप्लिका पे, जो कि है खजुराहो टेम्पल्स। खजुराहो टेम्पल्स मैंने पर्सनली विज़िट भी किया है और उसकी वीडियोस मैंने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी डाली हैं, तो उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक भी दे दूँगा। आप जाकर उस पर खजुराहो टेम्पल्स के बारे में जान सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं। उसमें काफ़ी डिटेल में इसके बारे में बताया गया है। संक्षेप में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ इन ब्रीफ। द खजुराहो ग्रुप ऑफ टेम्पल्स आर ए ग्रुप ऑफ Hindu and Jain temples in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh, India, about 175 km southeast of Jhansi. They are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The temples are famous for their Nagada style architecture, symbolism and their erotic sculptures. Most Khajuraho temples were built between 885 AD and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty. Historical records note that Khajuraho temple site had 85 temples by the 12th century spread over 20 square kilometers. Of these, only about 25 temples have survived, spread over 6 square kilometers. Of the surviving temples, the Kandariya Mahadev temple is decorated with a profusion of sculptures with intricate details, symbolism and expressiveness of ancient Indian art. There are other temples also, Lakshmana temple, Vishwanath temple and other temples are also there. You can visit the link which I have provided in the description to know more about the Khajuraho temples. तो गाइस अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं एग्जिट पे, और अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल ललित सोलंकी द नेचर लवर।